Fishbone, cause and effect or Ishikawa, diagram. Fishbone diagram, also known as cause and effect diagram or Ishikawa diagram, is a quality management tool that is commonly used to identify the root cause of a problem. The concept was developed by a Japanese professor, Dr. Kaoru Ishikawa, in the 1960s. This diagram looks like a fish skeleton so that it took its name from its appearance. It is a visual quality management tool that provides an overall list of possible causes to determine the root cause of a specific event. Each defect or cause is a source of variation. Fishbone diagrams help to understand what causes a problem, and what are the possible ways to solve it. They are commonly used in many industries such as service, manufacturing, marketing, construction. Causes of problems may arise from typical categories depending on the industry. Typically, a fishbone diagram has two sections. On the left side, the ribs represent the causes, and on the right, the head of the skeleton is the effect. Therefore, it is also named as cause and effect diagram. There are some steps to be followed while creating fishbone diagram for problem solving. Step 1. Identify the problem, effect. Once all the project team agreed on the problem expression should be written in a box at the mouth of the fish. In this example, let's assume that you are performing a project and the problem you faced with is the late delivery of tasks. Step 2. Define the major categories of causes for the problem. Major categories can be defined by the help of brainstorming sessions. Then, the major categories can be written as branches from the main arrow. Major categories often include material, manpower, people, etc. In our example, after brainstorming, you and your team members define the following categories for possible causes of the problem: equipment, process, materials, environment, measurements, personnel. Step 3. Brainstorm all the possible causes. In this step, brainstorming can be made by group team members based on their prior experiences. During brainstorming, ask why does this happen, then note the answer. Write the causes horizontally to the fishbone where they belong. If the causes are related to various categories, you can write them in several places. Then, ask again why does this happen for each cause. Write sub-causes branching off the cause branches. Note that the 5 whys technique is often used in conjunction with the fishbone. Keep asking why until you get to the root cause. In our example, we detected a number of causes for each categories. Under the equipment category, improper operation and machine breaks down are potential causes. Under the process category, wrong estimates and incorrect schedule might be some causes of the problem. After doing the same exercise for each category, your fishbone diagram will be like that. Step 4. Analyze the diagram. Once the fishbone is completed, an investigation can be made with team members to identify the root cause of the problem. The solution can be determined and corrective actions can be taken. The fishbone diagram is a powerful process improvement technique which greatly helps to determine the important factors involved in a process. It is one of the 7 basic tools of quality widely used for problem solving.